Hello and welcome to Quick Maths with Mr. Jonsen. In this video, you will learn how to find the midpoint of a line segment. The midpoint divides the line segment into two equal halves, and we need to find the coordinates of the midpoint. All right, so here we have three lines, PQ, XY, and BC. All right, let us look at the line segment PQ. If you notice one thing, the x coordinates are the same, -2 and -2. When the x coordinates are same on the 2 points, the x coordinate stays the same, midpoint of line segment PQ. So x coordinate stays the same, which is -2. Now to find the y coordinate, all you have to do is add the y coordinates and divide by 2. So 3 plus -3 is 0, and 0 divided by 2 is 0. So the midpoint of the line segment PQ is -2, 0. Now let us look at the line segment XY. If you notice one thing, the y coordinates are the same, 3 and 3. When the y coordinates are same on the 2 points, then the y coordinate stays the same. So midpoint of the line segment XY, we have a number on the x coordinate, but the y coordinate stays the same. So as we did for PQ, we just add these two. So -1 plus 3 is 2, divided by 2 is 1. Okay, so the midpoint of the line segment XY is 1, 3. All right. What if you have a line that is not horizontal or vertical, like the line segment BC? In that case, you can immediately find by sight this is the midpoint, because this is pretty simple. However, there is a formula that is very useful to find the midpoint. So midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now let us label this as x1 and this as y1, this as x2 and this as y2. In fact, it is up to you. You can choose to label this as x1 and y1 and this one as x2 and y2. All right, now let us substitute those into this formula. So x1 is -1 plus x2 is 3 divided by 2, and y1 is -1 plus y2 is 1 divided by 2. So here we have the midpoint, -1 plus 3 is 2 divided by 2. -1 plus 1 is 0 divided by 2. 0 divided by any number is 0. So this is 1 and 0. So the midpoint of the line segment BC is 1, 0. Now let us look at another example. Here we have a diagram. Point A is -3, 4, and B is 6, -2. Work out the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment AB. Let us first label this as x1, y1, and this as x2, y2. Remember, I told you, you can swap the places. You can write x1, y1 over here and x2, y2 over there. We know the formula for the midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now let us substitute these values. x1 is minus 3, and minus 3 plus x2 is 6 divided by 2, y1 is 4 plus y2 is minus 2 divided by 2. Minus 3 plus 6 is 3 over 2, comma, 4 plus minus will change into minus, so 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 2. And the midpoint of the line segment AB is 1.5, comma, 1. Thank you very much.